Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramata Gardens, where we explore plants that nourish, heal, and connect us to tradition. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic peppers in Mexican cuisine, the poblano, also known as the ancho, when dried. The poblano pepper has deep roots in central Mexico, especially in the state of Puebla, which is where its name comes from. Poblanos have been cultivated for centuries, part of the rich agricultural legacy of the indigenous peoples of Mesoamerica. As Spanish colonizers spread peppers across the globe, poblanos remained a cornerstone of Mexican cooking, holding cultural as well as culinary significance. Peppers are heart-shaped, usually about 4 to 6 inches long, with smooth, dark green skin that matures to a deep red-brown if left on the plant. They have thick walls and a mild heat, generally ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 Scoville units, gentle compared to jalapenos. Their flavor is earthy, rich, and slightly sweet, which intensifies when dried into ancho chilies. The plants themselves grow upright and bushy, often reaching 2 to 3 feet tall, producing heavily throughout the summer. Poblano peppers are warm season crops that thrive in full sun and fertile, well-drained soil. Start seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date, as they need warmth to germinate. Once soil temperatures reach above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, transplant them into the garden, spacing plants 18 to 24 inches apart. Consistent watering is key, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. They will respond well to balanced fertilizer, and like most peppers, they benefit from staking or caging as they get heavy with fruit. Harvest poblanos when they're firm and glossy green for fresh use, or let them ripen on the plant until they turn red-brown if you want to dry them into ancho chilies. The more you harvest, the more the plant produces, giving you an abundant crop throughout the season. Poblanos grow well alongside basil, onions, carrots, spinach, and oregano, all of which deter pests and improve flavor in the garden. Avoid planting them near fennel, which can stunt their growth. Because of the sturdy size, poblano plants can provide a bit of shade for lower growing herbs or lettuce, extending their harvest into warmer months. Like other peppers, poblanos are a nutritionist powerhouse. They're loaded with vitamins A and C, along with potassium, fiber, and antioxidants like capsaicin. Though poblanos aren't very spicy, they still provide capsaicin benefits, such as improved circulation and anti-inflammatory properties. Regularly including them in meals can support immune health, eye health, and digestion. Thanks to their mild heat, they're a great gateway pepper for people who want the benefits of chili without overwhelming spiciness. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow gardeners and food lovers. I'll see you in the next one, where we continue to grow knowledge one plant at a time. Happy gardening.